Hi there, my name's Charlie Morley and this is me giving you a short 2-minute video to say how excited I am about the talk coming up at Greenwich University, where I'll be presenting on the psychology of lucid dreaming. I am genuinely excited about it. 1, because I know they've sold quite a few tickets, so we're going to have a great crowd. 2, because of the quality of the other speakers. And 3, because I get to talk about something I've been obsessed with for almost 20 years now, which is lucid dreaming, the art of becoming conscious within the seemingly unconscious dream state. Now, the process of becoming conscious within the unconscious mind is a learnable skill, and I will be sharing a few tips along the way too. But mainly I'll be focusing on the neuroscience of lucid dreaming so that we learn for sure that lucid dreaming is absolutely a verified phenomenon of REM dreaming sleep. We'll then move on to the psychological benefits of lucid dreaming. Why would one want to lucid dream? How we can use lucid dreaming as a treatment for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, as well as working with stress and trauma-affected sleep patterns. We'll also touch into the spiritual aspects of lucid dreaming. I'll talk about my experience within the Tibetan Buddhist tradition, of which I'm some small part, and also of the Sufi traditions and the Toltec Mexica traditions, the shamanic tradition of Mexico, which also has a very strong lucid dream tradition. So hopefully by the end of my talk, you will know exactly what lucid dreaming is, how it works, and why you would want to do it. It will be a pleasure to share this wonderful practice and techniques with you, and I hope to see you guys there.